We are going to stir fry pork liver today. We need about 5 stalks of green onions and some ginger strips. Cut the liver into 5 mm slices, after which rinse for at least 3 times, drain away the water and add 2 tablespoons of rice wine. Set aside until it is ready to cook. To prepare the liver for cooking, drain away the blood water. Add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and mix. Transfer the liver to a strainer. Prepare a pot of boiling water. Turn off the heat and plunge the liver in the strainer into the pot. Let it plunge for 10 seconds. This is to get rid of any blood impurities. As the cooking is going to be fast, we have to prepare the sauce in advance. In a bowl, mix 1 teaspoon of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of ketchup, 3 tablespoons of water, and 1 teaspoon of sugar. We are now ready to fry. Start by frying the ginger strips. And white part of the green onions. When the ginger is brown on the edges, add half the green onion leaves. Next, add the liver and keep frying for 1 minute. Add 1 tablespoon of rice wine, and the sauce which we prepared earlier. Fry for another minute. Finally, add the remaining spring onion. Do not overcook the liver. It should still be moist and a little pinkish inside. Enjoy!